it's me, Keandra, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time, but honestly, my focus has not been on YouTube. But here we are. So let's get straight into the video. Today's video is going to be a DIY video of how you can make your own custom hair clips. So let's get straight into the video. So first, you're going to grab some hair clips. I got these clips from the Dollar Tree and I believe the 99-cent store. So you're going to grab your glue of choice, the tool to put the stones on, some rhinestones. I got these at some I ordered from Alibaba, I believe Hobby Lobby, and I think I got some from the 99-cent store. You're just going to put a little glue on the clip. You're going to get your stones and you're just going to place the stones on the clip and just go all around. You can create whatever you want on the clip, but I'm just doing mine like this because it's pretty easy and pretty simple. So you're just going to repeat the same steps, just putting glue and putting your stones on. Adding the glue, putting your stones on. And you have to kind of move fast because the glue dries pretty quickly from what I experienced. So I would just keep going around, same steps. So here are the final results of the clips. I made 4 in total. Like I said, you can get creative. You can use whatever you want to glue in the clips. Just make sure that you have a strong enough glue to keep everything together, because in the past I've made these clips and I used bead glue the first time and everything just fell off. Like once I clipped the clip in my head, it was just like stones were just popping off. But just make sure you find like a good glue, and if you guys have any recommendations, feel free to let me know what glue you guys use, or something that's super strong that keeps the material on the hair clips. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Hey you guys, it's